Hi, this video is for Monday, October 26th, and we shall get started on our daily packet. All right, here's our ladybug. So today's daily packet, we are on Unit 3, but now we are on Week 2 and Day 1. So for Monday, Day 1. All right, so first thing we're going to go over our spelling words. So this week we have our R words, AR, R-controlled AR. So all of our words will have that R sound. So we have car, mark, smart, hard, farm, large, sharp, garden, and yard. So all of the spelling words there with the R sound. Where did the band march? So we're going to start with the, capital T, the band marched, and then we'll take a look at our other words. Okay, so we have the words in yard, the large. Okay, so maybe the band marched in the large yard. In the large. And I can tell that yard is the last word because it ends in a period. Yard. All right, we've had these addition problems and subtraction problems. Actually, they've been subtraction, but this week they've switched on us. Some of them are addition, some are subtraction. So we have to be really pay attention to the sign. So here we have something plus 6 equals 8. 6, and if I count on 7, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Here, this one is subtraction. 18 take away something is 5. If I go 18 minus 5, that will give me my missing part. 18 minus 5 is 13, which now gives us our sentence. 18 minus 13 gives us 5. Here, something plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. So if I go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8, 9. Add those extra 2. 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Here, this is the pattern that we had last time. Something minus 3 is 8. And we said when that happens, we add these 2 digits. 8 plus 3 is 11. So now when we read 11 take away 3 is 8. That's true. 9 plus something is 18. This is one of our doubles. 9 plus 9 is 18. Something take away 3 is 9. So if we add those 2 digits, 12 minus 3 is 9. Write these numbers in order from least, smallest, to greatest, biggest. So if I look at 23, 63, and 38, 23 is the smallest number. The biggest number is 63, which gives us our middle number, 38. Our word problem, Jack has 34 books, Sam has 17, Dora has 45. Put them in order from most to least. So now we're going to go from biggest to smallest. So the biggest one is 45. Oh, and then you know what, it actually says put the name. So 45 is Dora. Then the middle number, I'll go after. Least, the smallest number is 17, Sam, which gives us our middle number, Jack, at 34. 45, 34, 17. So that's our daily packet. So we can check off P1. Next thing is our spelling. And just so you know, here it says rainbow. I apologize for that mistake. I should have changed that. Rainbow was last week. This week is actually ABC order. And that will make sense when you see your packet because you've already done the rainbow page with week 1's activity. So we're going to go to week 2. Week 2, we're going to write down our spelling words first. I'm going to use the spelling words from my daily packet today. Car, star, march, smart, hard, farm, large, shark, garden, yard. And sorry that there's extra lines, just ignore 11 through 15 on both sides. And now we're gonna start with our ABC order. So I'm gonna look at A, no A words. B, no B words. C, I see a C word. C, no other C word. So car goes first again. Letter D, D, no D's. E, no E's. F, oh, I see an F. F, okay, only one F. Farm. Okay, G, oh, one G. G, looks only one. Garden. H, oh, there's an H. H, only one H. Hard. I. J. K. L. Oh, I see an L. Only one L. Large. M. I see an M. Only one M. March. N. O. No O's. P's. No P's. Q's. No Q's. R's. R. No R's. Ooh, this one's gonna be a little tricky. There's a few S's. S. So we have 3 S's. I put a little star just because there are 3 of them. And now we're gonna look at the second letter besides the S. So we have S, star, T, smart with an M, shark with an H. So I'm gonna look at H, M, T. So out of these 3 letters, I know H is first. Shark will go first. And I'm gonna look at M and T. Here's M, here's T. So that means smart goes next and star goes after. Smart, star. And if I look at all my words, I've crossed them all out except yard. Y, which is way over here. So now we have our spelling words in ABC order. So that is our spelling packet, not rainbow, ABC. Weekly vocab. We have our vocabulary. So hopefully you already have your sentences done from last week. I'm using my different booklet, so mine aren't filled out, but yours should hopefully be filled out already. We have only 2 words today. We have the word shallow and thaws. So they're kind of towards the bottom. Shallow means not deep. And thaws is kind of a word meaning melting, to melt. So maybe I swam in the shallow water, the not deep water. And you can make up your own sentences if you'd like. If you kind of feel stuck, you're welcome to take my sentence. I swam in the shallow water. Thaws. I'm going to change it from thaws to just thaw. I will thaw the chicken. Something I do often, thaw out meat to cook dinner. Maybe you've heard that word then. So I swam in the shallow water. I will thaw the chicken. So those are our weekly vocab words, only 2 this week, which now takes us to our benchmark activity of the day. We're going to go to page 17, which is a city park habitat. And it says here, read it out loud. So we'll read it aloud. Make a list of plants and animals that live in your local park. So as we read this story, we'll think about maybe a park you've gone to and what animals and plants you remember seeing there. So here's a city park habitat out loud. Did you know that a city park is an animal habitat? A habitat is a special place where animals live. Most parks have trees. Trees make a leafy home for birds. Squirrels like to dart between trees too. Trees have tasty seeds and nuts for squirrels and birds to enjoy. Rabbits burrow underground. Then they come up to eat grass and clover. A few parks even have ponds. Ponds are where many fish, frogs, and turtles make their homes. Look for animals in their habitats the next time you visit a city park. So a park that I feel I go often to, for me, is the park that's right across the street from Sacramento Zoo. I forget what it's called. Maybe it's called Lily Pad Pond. I'm not sure if that's its actual name, but it's the park that has the pond in the middle. There's, I can just think of many animals and plants I see there. So I'm gonna just at the zoo park, the Sac Zoo Park. And you might have been here before, and you're welcome to write these ideas, but also think about a park near you and what you see. There I see squirrels often. I see turtles, ducks. I see trees. They have lots of kind of like pine trees around. There's grass, and there's lily pads. And I'm sure lots and lots of other things. And hopefully these here give you ideas of maybe plants and animals that are in your park, or maybe this one if you've been here too. So that is our benchmark activity. Read the selection, make a list of those plants and animals in your park. So that brings us now to our math, topic 5, lesson 4. Our lesson is counting to 100, counting to 100. So it says count back. A good idea would be, if you need it, to use your, from your orange, like that hard folder, you have a green hundreds chart there. That might be helpful to go back and forth. You also have a hundreds chart here in the corner of your page that you can refer to. Maybe that'll be easier because it's right in front of you. So it says write the number that is 1 before. So if I look here, I can do it this way. 44, one number right before is 43. You can also kind of count back in your head, like 89. I know 1 before 89 is 88. 1 before 56 is 55. 1 after, so these are going to be afters, 35, 36. So just counting on, 76, 77, 81, 82. Now we're going to not just go one number before or after, we're going to go a few. Count back from 19, 19, 18, 17, 16, and then count on. So now forward, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So for 17 and 18, you can write any number. There's many, many answers for each of these. For number 17, you just need to write any number that is smaller than 21. So your answer can be 20, or it can be any number smaller than 20. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So all of those are possible answers. 20 or smaller. Here it says 59 is greater than this number. So your numbers can be 58 and any number that's smaller than 58. So 58, 57, 56, all the way to 1. So as long as it's smaller, it's 58 or smaller, that can be your answer. So that is our number sense. Going to go to the back side. These here are kind of like riddles. My number is before 81. So if I have 81 here, it says it's before it, but it's after 79. So it's 79 something 81. So there's only one number in between, right? 79, 80, 81 is the mystery number, number 80. So this number comes after 24, but before 26. 24, 26. So that mystery number will be 25, is in between those two. Okay, 21. Some numbers on the mailbox are missing. So it says something, something, 44, 45, 46, 47. So it looks like they're going in order by 1. So we want to find out what are these two missing numbers if we follow that same pattern, that same order. 44, 45, 46, 47. So maybe we should count back. 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42. So we're going to go letter B as our answer. Write a number story about the missing numbers Nico finds on the mailboxes. Use the words before and after. So maybe I'll use this mailbox to help us do our own mystery, kind of like that. So I'm going to use the same kind of sentence frame. I'm going to say a number comes after 42. It is after, oops, I did it backwards. A number comes, oh, and you know what, this word should have been before. Sorry, I was like, wait, I didn't mean to do after twice. So a number comes after 42. It is before 44. What number is it? So if it's after 42, but before 44, that mystery number will be 43. We solved our own mystery. Okay, don't forget to do your quick check for lesson 4 online. Also practicing Espanol, however you choose, either making little flashcards, working in your practice packet. Remember the key is in your Seesaw messages if you need that. You can also watch the YouTube videos, watch my video, play the games, somehow practicing the items in El Salón. So I'm going to check us off, check. And with that, that is our homework completed for Monday, October 26th. Have a great day.